How to log into Ulster Bank credit card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you on accessing your Ulster Bank credit card account online. So let's get started. First of all, launch any web browser and navigate to the official Ulster Bank website at ulsterbank.co.uk, and once there, locate and click on the login feature highlighted in purple color. And then you will land into the login portal where you have to enter the customer number, which is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. You can also choose how you'd like to log in, like you can use your customer number or your card number. If you'd like this web browser or this system to remember your credentials, you can simply click on this Remember Me option over here. If you encounter any issues recalling your login credentials, simply access the provided link, and alternatively, for those preferring the card number login method, insert the 16-digit card number in the designated field. Following this, select the Continue option highlighted in green color, and then proceed by adhering to the prompts displayed on the screen to finalize your login process. Upon successful authentication, you will be redirected to the personalized online banking interface. Within this dashboard, pinpoint and select the card details credit card option. Depending on the security protocols put in place by Ulster Bank, you might be required to fulfill the additional verification steps like answering the security queries or entering a one-time password dispatched to your registered mobile number. Post-login, you will gain access to the vital features such as viewing your credit card balance, transaction history, facilitating payments, and managing the various account-related tasks. Moreover, within this interface, you can also initiate a credit card application process, evaluate the offerings of the various credit cards. Subsequently, if you wish to apply, check the eligibility and click on Apply option. If you meet the criteria, complete the online application form and submit it. Your application will undergo evaluation, and upon approval, anticipate the receipt of your new credit card through the mail. So that concludes the tutorial session. If you encounter any queries or uncertainties, feel free to articulate them in the comment section. Kindly show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.